a beautiful morning! Woo! What a good night's rest I had. Today is a special day because I'm going to whip something up. It's something sweet, something you dip in milk, it bakes in the oven. What could that be, friends? That's right, cookies! Let's get started with our day. Come on! Hello, boys and girls. Here we are at the bakery. Are you ready to get started with making our fresh homemade cookies? Awesome. Let's get started. All right, for our first step, we're going to dump our mixture in the bowl. Here we have our mixture all in the bowl. Next, I'm going to crack an egg to put inside. Perfectly egg cracked. Awesome. Just want to put that off to the side. Okay, now I'm going to add a stick of butter, which is about a half a cup. Just drop that inside. Boop, just like that. Okay. All right, here we go. We're about to mix it along. Your little test flakes are flying. Nice and fluffy texture. I want to make sure everything is combined. I'm going to turn this heat up even more. Okay, friends, we're all done. Now I'm going to set this in the fridge for a couple hours, okay? Alrighty. Friends, our cookie dough now sat in the fridge for a couple hours. I'm now going to uncover and roll out some flour and begin to roll some cookies. I'm going to sprinkle some flour over my board just like this. Alright, friends, you could always use an ice cream scooper, but if you don't have an ice cream scooper, you could always use a spoon. All the mix out. Oh, this is the best part. Now, I don't have a rolling pin, so what else could I use? I know! Party popper confetti! Woo! Oh, that's like a hot dog, friends! Whoa! Okay, here we have it. So now I'm going to pick up my tooth and begin cutting out shapes. Okay. Here we go. And I'm going to go back and take it out, of course. So I'm just going to continue making shapes of a tooth, which I'm sure many of you have lost a couple of teeth by now. And if not, it will be happening very, very soon. We laid out our cookies on parchment paper. Parchment paper is good to use so that way it does not get stuck to the pan. Or you can spray your pan with some olive oil spray. some pan, anything that will help it not to stick, okay? All right, friends, our last thing we're gonna do is pop our cookies in the oven. All right, friends, our cookies are now done. We're gonna let them cool for about 10 minutes. For our last step, we are going to put some icing on these cookies. I'm going to just put it over with a spatula, and then I'm going to go back through with a spoon and make them more thinner and things like that. All right, let me put some ice and just spread it all out.